Today, let's take a quick look at Flexbase tooling and framework. The two most important development tools provided by Flexbase are Flexstudio and Flexgen. Flexstudio enables architects and developers to break a software application requirement into modules and features. Modules represent a domain or a subdomain. For example, in an e-commerce application, modules can be order, product category, etc. While features are individual APIs within the modules. For example, in order module, you can have the following features: add items to cart, confirm order for cash on delivery, accept payment, and so on. Modules and features are intuitive and can be built collaboratively by domain experts, BAs, architects, and senior developers. It is easy to iterate the application design at any point. Senior developers or business analysts can diagram the individual features in Flexstudio. Here, they specify important API components like validations, events, subscribers, the API action items, etc. The team can follow a standard naming convention when building these application components. This standard gets carried forward all the way down to the code. While features are being built, architects can take important decisions regarding application structure in Flexstudio and Flexgen. By default, Flexgen generates application layer that follows Flexbase architecture design pattern. Infrastructure layer can be configured by the architect. Once the code is generated, you can open the application in Visual Studio. Note that files, classes, and methods generated follow the same naming convention that was built in Flexstudio. The developers can now start coding the domain entities, input API models, validations, handlers, events, and subscribers. Single responsibility principle and code decoupling is fanatically followed in Flexbase. So, developers get to write small pieces of domain code really well. It also makes the code maintainable and easy to refactor. At last, developers and architects can spend more time doing what they love to do: create exciting features for customers.